In this video, I want to talk about how you can buy Ethereum on your Trust wallet. Now, I have it on my PC, but you can do it from your phone. Then simply what you have to do is find Ethereum or press Manage Crypto and search for it. Once you found it, you should have a buy button. Now, if you don't see the buy button like with me, this means it's restricted in my area or my region, or simply because I cannot buy it for some other reason. Then the only option, if you don't see the buy button, is to buy it from another exchange, and then you wanna press receive and type in the numbers that you get from the exchange and send it from that one to this one. So that's basically how it works, guys. If you're located in the US, you will most likely be able to just buy directly on here. Otherwise, you can just send it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.